Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's play a game today. What's in the oil pan? Well, in the oil pan, we found this in the oil pickup tube. Great googly moogly. We have some carnage here, ladies and gentlemen. We have pieces of guide, most definitely. I'm not really sure what this might be, but that looks like shards. That's definitely shards of metal. We have more guides here. Now, let's go to some more carnage. This chain is supposed to be attached at the other end. This guide right here, well, not for nothing, is much longer than that. This piece was hiding on top of the baffle. We took the oil pan down, and we didn't find it right away, so when we took one of the baffles down, it went boop, came out with it. Let's continue. The failure here, well, here's one balance shaft. Moves. This one, that's seized. And, oh, we're missing a tooth.